moving on to another recipe, guys. As I said, so happy to have Superblue and Crazy in the building. The folks at Bertolli olive oil, we showcase the whole range. Whatever, see olive oil spray?
Spray?
Spray, that's nice. Yeah.
Olive oil. Bertolli. But I'm using the liquid olive oil.
Yes.
And I'm going to make, using olive oil in a cake. So I'm going to do a lemon loaf olive oil cake.
Lemon loaf
yes.
oil.
Right? So simple. As a man, don't do much baking, but I'm following a very simple recipe here to execute this. I started with 4 eggs in the mixer. And I just want to get it started. To start beating. Basically just for about a minute or so, add in some sugar there. And start beating the eggs and sugar. You're waiting now until this gets nice and frothy. That will take a couple minutes. Right guys, so while this is beating, I'm just going to put some dry ingredients together. This is simple basic flour. Right? You can get the recipe on papajoecaribbean.com, guys. All the measurements and ingredients. I have some salt, some baking soda, baking powder, and I have some rosemary. So you can choose the herb of your choice. I'm using rosemary. I cut some rosemary. I love rosemary. But you can use the herb of your choice, really. And then just want to get a fork and kind of mix that together. So you're looking for it to get nice and frothy. Yeah. Nice and frothy. Lemon zest.
Yes.
So I scrape the lemon zest
lemon.
and it goes straight in. So you want a little lemony flavor directly in it, and I have the lemon juice here now that I added straight into here as well. Quick mix on that. And now I'm going to add the olive oil directly to the eggs. Just about there.
Will you be using the best oil?
The best olive oil,
yeah.
Bertolli olive oil.
Yeah.
The Bertolli olive oil with this cake gives it that nice, moist, little bit of olive oil flavor. Gives the cake a different profile, different taste profile altogether. When you make cake with olive oil, you ain't making cake with anything else after that again.
Right. Yeah.
So I pour in the olive oil directly into the egg mixture. And I want to just mix again. Just keeping everything mixing. And this is now ready, guys, to add the dry ingredients straight into my wet ingredients. So I add the flour, herb mixture straight in there, and all I do is fold and mix.
Let's see how that looking like.
Fold and mix.
All right.
So until you get a nice batter, smooth batter. Right, so once you mix it up there, make sure you scrape your sides, grease your pan. And to grease your pan, guys, I can actually use the olive oil spray.
I like that.
To spray the pan. So this olive oil has more than one use. I used it to saute some shrimp a couple weeks ago. And now I just want to pour this cake mixture, lovely batter, lemon, I'm smelling the lemon. Back in the oven.
That's the whole works in there?
That is back in the oven. This is the cake here. This is the cake here.
Right.
Bake for another 30 to 35 minutes, just a little more than a half hour, right? And then you'll see it rise, and you'll test it to see. So in the oven we go. But you know what? You don't have to wait 30 minutes, Chris. Yeah. You don't have to wait 30 minutes.
Look how cup of Joe have me, I'm supposed to be eating this. But the Francis is that.
That's good for your back.
See?
That's good for your back. Everything on the show good for your back.
I like the lemon. That is the lemon. No, I have to go on the treadmill for an hour and a half. Very good one.
Superblue. Crazy.
No, this is your creation?
That is one of the creations.
I love it.
I want to thank both of you all for the contribution of the music over the last 40 to 50 years. Many times in Trinidad and Tobago we don't take time to honor and to recognize the works. You have made us dance, you have made us prance, you have made us enjoy carnivals gone, carnivals to come. Crazy, your body of work speaks for itself. And thankfully, as I said, the authorities that be saw it fit to finally recognize you guys.
Yeah,
and I want to thank you guys on behalf of Transmix.
Yeah, man, culture. Anytime you're ready for me, I'm here.
Thank you guys very much.
That's good.
Guys, Couple Joe Carnival to Banker continues, and I was so happy to have these two.
Go on,
legends.
Yo, boy, we love all you.
We will see you back here for another Couple Joe.
Couple
Thank you
Joe.
guys very much.